Bay window installation in Lafayette is a popular choice for homeowners looking to enhance their home's aesthetic appeal and functionality. With custom bay windows Lafayette, you can transform your living space, adding both style and value. Our expert team specializes in bay window installation, ensuring a seamless fit and finish that complements your home's architecture. Many homeowners also choose bay windows Lafayette for added charm and natural light. Energy-efficient bay windows Lafayette are designed to reduce energy costs while providing superior insulation. These windows help maintain a comfortable indoor temperature, reducing the need for excessive heating or cooling. By choosing energy-efficient windows, you not only save money but also contribute to a more sustainable environment. Homeowners often pair these upgrades with bay windows Lafayette for optimal performance. Custom window designs are available to meet the unique needs of each homeowner. Whether you're looking for a modern or traditional style, our window design consultation services in Lafayette can help you find the perfect match. Our team will work with you to create a design that reflects your personal taste and enhances your home's curb appeal. This often includes personalized bay windows Lafayette for distinctive architectural appeal. Window frame installation is essential for maintaining the structural integrity of your windows. Lafayette window frame installation services ensure that your windows remain secure and functional. Our skilled technicians can address any issues with your window frames, providing long-lasting solutions that prevent further damage. Many clients update their frames when installing bay windows Lafayette. Double-pane windows are an excellent choice for homeowners seeking improved insulation and noise reduction. Double-pane bay windows Lafayette offer enhanced energy efficiency and comfort, making them a smart investment for any home. Our team can help you select the best double-pane windows for your needs and budget. These solutions work especially well with bay windows Lafayette. Window seal installation is crucial for preventing drafts and maintaining energy efficiency. Lafayette window seal installation services can address any issues with your window seals, ensuring a tight fit that keeps your home comfortable year-round. Our experts use high-quality materials to provide durable and effective seal installations. Proper sealing is essential for bay windows Lafayette to perform at their best. Window hardware upgrade services in Lafayette can enhance the functionality and security of your windows. By upgrading your window hardware, you can improve ease of use and add additional safety features. Our team can recommend the best hardware options for your specific needs and preferences. These upgrades pair perfectly with bay windows Lafayette for increased durability. Window insulation services are vital for maintaining a comfortable indoor environment. Lafayette window insulation services provide effective solutions for reducing heat loss and improving energy efficiency. Our experts use advanced techniques and materials to ensure optimal insulation for your windows. This is especially beneficial for bay windows Lafayette, which allow more natural light into the home. Window sash replacement is necessary when the existing sash is damaged or worn. Bay window sash replacement. Lafayette services offer high-quality replacements that restore the appearance and functionality of your windows. Our team can help you choose the right sash for your bay windows, ensuring a perfect fit. Many homeowners take this opportunity to upgrade to bay windows Lafayette if needed. Window weatherproofing is essential for protecting your home from the elements. Lafayette window weatherproofing services provide comprehensive solutions to prevent water infiltration and damage. Our experts use top-quality materials to ensure your windows are well protected against harsh weather conditions. Weatherproofing is especially important for bay windows Lafayette due to their extended exterior exposure. Window caulking services in Lafayette are crucial for sealing gaps and preventing drafts. Bay window caulking Lafayette services offer professional caulking solutions that enhance energy efficiency and comfort. Our team uses high-grade caulking materials to ensure a long-lasting seal. These caulking solutions significantly improve the performance of bay windows. Lafayette. Bay window installation in Lafayette is a popular choice for homeowners looking to enhance their home's aesthetic and functionality. Our expert team specializes in custom bay windows. Lafayette, offering a wide range of styles and designs to suit any home. With our bay window installation warranty. Lafayette, you can rest assured that your investment is protected. Many homeowners choose bay windows. Lafayette for added visual appeal. Energy-efficient bay windows. Lafayette are an excellent way to reduce energy costs while improving the comfort of your home. Our double-pane bay windows. Lafayette provide superior insulation, helping to maintain a consistent indoor temperature. We also offer Lafayette window insulation services to further enhance your home's energy efficiency. Pairing insulation with bay windows. Lafayette maximizes performance. For those in need of window frame installation, our Lafayette window frame installation services are second to none. We provide comprehensive window maintenance services, including window sash replacement and window trim installation. Lafayette, ensuring your windows remain in top condition. Our Lafayette window seal installation services address any issues with window leaks, providing effective window leak installation solutions. These services work seamlessly with bay windows. Lafayette updates. Our window design consultation services in Lafayette help you choose the perfect windows for your home. Whether you're interested in bay window style consultation. Lafayette or a complete window design consultation, our experts are here to assist. We also offer window measurement services to ensure a perfect fit for your new windows. Many homeowners select bay windows. Lafayette during this stage for added design impact. Window hardware upgrade and window safety features are essential for modern homes. Our bay window hardware Lafayette options include the latest in window safety features. Lafayette, providing peace of mind for you and your family. We also offer window caulking services and bay window caulking. Lafayette to prevent drafts and improve energy efficiency. These upgrades enhance the performance of bay windows. Lafayette. For those experiencing window condensation issues, our bay window condensation Lafayette solutions are designed to address and prevent this common problem. We also provide window tinting services and bay window tinting services. Lafayette to reduce glare and protect your interiors from UV damage. Tinting is a popular addition for bay windows. Lafayette due to their larger glass surfaces. Our window replacement cost estimate services in Lafayette provide transparent pricing for all your window needs. Whether you're considering a bay window cost estimate Lafayette or a complete window replacement, we offer competitive pricing and exceptional service. Our window installation warranty ensures your satisfaction with every project. Upgrading to bay windows Lafayette is a cost-effective way to enhance home value. Window glazing services and bay window glazing Lafayette are essential for enhancing the durability and appearance of your windows. Our expert team provides window weatherproofing and Lafayette window weatherproofing services to protect your home from the elements. We also offer window screen installation and Lafayette window screen installation for added convenience. These enhancements pair well with bay windows Lafayette. For those looking to upgrade their windows, our window glass replacement and window hardware upgrade services are ideal. We provide comprehensive window maintenance services, including window sash replacement and window trim installation Lafayette, ensuring your windows remain in top condition. Our Lafayette window seal installation services address any issues with window leaks, providing effective window leak installation solutions. Many homeowners choose bay windows Lafayette during their upgrade process.